Hey everyone, Pat Walker here, and in today's video, we're going over Wealthsimple Cash. So Wealthsimple is a great company that offers other products like Wealthsimple Trade, Wealthsimple Invest, Wealthsimple Tax, Wealthsimple Crypto, but today we're going to be talking just about Wealthsimple Cash. So what is Wealthsimple Cash other than being impossible to say 5 times fast, or in my case, once? It's a great way to send money to friends, family, or anyone else that you might want to send money to. So right now, there are no fees on any of these transfers, which is really, really fantastic since just about anything to do with the banking world, especially here in Canada, unfortunately, has some sort of a fee involved. So it's nice to see that there's a company coming out there that actually, this is a big shock here, actually cares about their customers and actually doesn't want to charge fees and make tons of money off that. So this really is kind of the direction that the banking world is going in Canada, though, and really around the world. It's moving a lot more towards the direction of no fees or or lower fees, faster service. And you can really see that when you compare Wealthsimple Cash to an experience. If you think about when you walk into your bank branch of a Big 5 bank and try to send money anywhere in the world, you're going to probably stand in line for 20 minutes. You're going to have to deal with sales pitches, and you're going to have a pretty hefty wire transfer fee, probably $30 to $50 when it's all said and done. Whereas this is pretty seamless. It's pretty much instant, and there's no fee. So while this isn't a cryptocurrency, that's a totally separate product, it does offer a lot of the same benefits as a cryptocurrency, like being able to send money to your friends with no fee, which, like I said, and I think we would all agree, is pretty awesome. These banks make enough money as far as I'm concerned. They don't need us giving them any more than we already do. So another great reason to use Wealthsimple Cash is if it's 2020 and you're somebody who still doesn't have online banking, this is probably the easiest way to have money sent to you, or to send money to your friends and family. So if you're somebody like that, this could be a great help. So to just recap here, so for the fees, there are none. There are no fees. It is a fee-free product with this Wealthsimple Cash. You can send money to your friends and family instantly with no fees or no hidden cost. Once the money is in your account, it can take a couple of days to withdraw the funds. But I think what they're planning to do with this Wealthsimple Cash is connect this to their trading investing services. So that way you'll be able to use this almost like a bank account to move money around. And the idea is, I think they want you to be able to have all your money in-house with them instead of just a piece of it, right? With your investing or just your crypto and then your daily banking somewhere else. They want it all. But they're providing a really good, really compelling product to incentivize you and motivate you to do that. So, if it's objectively in your best interest, what have you got to lose? By the way, this is not, I want to repeat, not a sponsored video. They're not paying me at all to say this. It'd be nice if they were, but they're not paying me to say this. Nobody's paying me to say this. I'm putting this video out there because I truly believe it is a great product and I want to share it with as many people as I can. I think the only way we're going to take back our power as consumers is if we vote with our wallets, we vote with the products we use, and we use the products that are free or at least a lot cheaper, and objectively are just better. Only then are you going to see these banks and these big companies finally start to get competitive and get serious about offering us what we want. And then another really great idea about the Wealthsimple Cash is that they're creating basically a debit card that you'll be able to connect to Apple Pay, Google Pay, similar kind of service. And you'll be able to use that for your day-to-day expenses. So, groceries, gas, coffee, things like that. So it is really neat to see them coming out with this. All right, that's pretty much everything I have for you today on Wealthsimple Cash. Remember to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well. YouTube loves it when those buttons get hit. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.